Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually upload files and songs to SoundCloud. It's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred browser, sign into your existing SoundCloud account, and from there go to the top right corner and open up your profile. Now here you see a load of stuff. Here you have tracks, and inside the tracks you have all your current uploaded tracks. Now I've uploaded these years ago, like 10 years ago when I listened to trap music. Here you have the more uploads means more listeners. Now simply press upload more or simply go to the upload button right here. And what this will do, it will upload the upload menu. Now here you see a load of options, and as you can see you only got like 180 minutes of a free upload space. Now if you want to get unlimited uploads for SoundCloud, you can simply head and try Next Pro. Now what this is, it's the pro version of SoundCloud. It's a subscription based service. Now to actually upload stuff, you can actually make it public or private. It really depends on what you want to use it for. Here you can make a playlist with multiple files. If you make multiple files, if you upload an album for example, and if you upload a VLC, a WAV or a ALAC or a AYFF file, it provides the highest available audio quality, and you can upload better songs. Now here simply press choose and upload the file. It really doesn't matter if there's only a audio file. So let's say you upload a MP4, that will also work for SoundCloud, as you can see right here. It starts the upload process right away. Here you can actually change the title of the song. So let's say by How to Tech Simplified. Here you can change the permalink, what's behind the .soundcloud and your name. Now here you can select a genre. Here's a list of genres available. Now let's say I make some pop music. Here you can add additional tags to describe the mood or the genre even further. Here you can describe the track you're actually making, a song about SoundCloud. And here you can create some captions for your song. Now here you can actually make it private or public. And once you've saved it right here, what this will do, it will start the upload for you. And as you can see here, I uploaded the song. Now here I can go to the track, and as you can see, it's right here. And if I play it, guys, it's How to Text. It's a different music video for me, a different YouTube video. Now, if you still got any other questions regarding this tutorial, or if this tutorial has helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And thank you for watching.